Have you ever thought about the power of writing down your dreams and desires? Imagine dedicating just 10 minutes each day to write about what you truly want. What if this simple practice could bring you closer to achieving everything you've ever wanted? Today we're going to explore how the simple act of writing can transform your thoughts into reality, shaping your future in ways you might never have imagined. Writing isn't just a way to record information, it's a powerful tool for manifestation. When you write down your goals, you do more than just remember them. You actively engage your mind in the process of making them real. Psychologically, writing helps to clarify your thoughts and intentions. It forces you to define what you truly want and to articulate it clearly and concisely. This clarity is the first step toward turning your dreams into achievable goals. Writing has a neurological impact. The act of writing engages the brain in a unique way, activating both its linguistic and cognitive pathways. When you write about your goals, you're not just noting them down, you're embedding them deeply into your consciousness. This process helps to focus your attention and increase your commitment, making you more likely to take the actions needed to achieve these goals. Throughout history, many successful individuals have used writing as a tool to manifest their desires. These aren't just stories from the past, but testimonies to the enduring power of writing. While we won't dive into specific personal stories, it's important to recognize that from scientists and artists to entrepreneurs, the practice of writing down goals has been a common thread among many influential figures. They understood that writing not only helped them organize their thoughts, but also set the stage for achieving great things. This historical pattern underscores that when you commit to writing your aspirations, you place yourself in a lineage of successful manifestors who have harnessed the power of pen and paper to shape their destinies. Let's continue to explore how you can set up your own daily writing ritual to tap into this powerful method of manifestation, keeping in mind the simple steps and guidelines that can make this practice a cornerstone of your daily routine. Stay tuned as we look into how to structure your writing to best support your manifestation efforts. Now that we've seen the power of writing in manifesting one's desires, let's explore how you can establish your own daily writing ritual. First, you'll need to choose the right tools. While any pen and notebook will do, picking ones that you feel personally connected to can enhance your experience. Whether it's a notebook with a cover that inspires you or a pen that glides smoothly over the page, these tools should invite you to write daily. Next, creating a dedicated space and time for your writing is crucial. Find a quiet spot where you can be undisturbed for at least 10 minutes each day. This could be a small desk in your bedroom, a comfortable chair by the window, or even a spot in your local park. The key is consistency. Writing at the same time each day helps develop a habit. Morning might work best for some, setting a positive tone for the day, while others might find the evening helps them reflect and unwind. Choose a time when you can be most relaxed and reflective. With your space set up and your tools chosen, let's talk about how to structure your writing to maximize its impact. There are several ways you can approach this depending on what resonates with you. Some people prefer making lists, simple bullet points of what they hope to achieve. Others might find power in writing affirmations, statements that not only describe their desires, but also affirm their ability to achieve them, such as, "I am successful in my endeavors," or "I attract abundance effortlessly." For those who enjoy more detailed expression, writing out your goals in full sentences can be particularly effective. Describe not just what you want to achieve, but why and how you see it coming into your life. The detail in your description can help you visualize your goals more vividly, making them feel more attainable. Clarity and specificity are your allies here. The more precise you are about what you want to manifest, the better. Vague goals can lead to vague results. And if you desire a new job, write down the specifics. What kind of job, in what industry, the work environment, your ideal salary, even the location. By clearly articulating your goals, you send a powerful message to your subconscious mind about what you want to manifest. By combining these elements, choosing inspiring tools, creating a dedicated space and time, and structuring your writing effectively, you set a strong foundation for turning your written words into reality. These practices not only organize your desires, but also embed them deeply into your consciousness, paving the way for action and manifestation. Moving forward, let's enrich your writing ritual by incorporating visualization and emotion, two elements that can significantly amplify the power of your written words. When you write down your goals, don't just list them. Visualize each one as a real and achieved part of your life. Imagine the feelings associated with achieving these goals. Are you aiming for a new job? Picture yourself walking into your new office, feeling the satisfaction and excitement of the role. This act of visualization not only helps to specify your goals, but also instills a deeper emotional connection to them. Emotions play a critical role in manifestation. The stronger your emotional connection to your written words, the more potent they become. As you write, try to feel the joy, pride, or peace you anticipate experiencing once your goals are reached. This emotional investment breathes life into your daily writing and makes the process itself a more enjoyable and fulfilling part of your day. Despite the excitement that comes with setting goals, doubts and fears may arise. It's natural to face such hurdles when you're mapping out the path to your dreams. Writing can be a powerful tool to confront and overcome these feelings. When doubt creeps in, use your writing time to address these fears directly. Write down the specific doubts you have and then counter them with positive affirmations. For example, if you fear that your goal is too ambitious, write a statement like, "I am capable and deserving of achieving great things." This practice not only helps in managing negative thoughts, but also reinforces your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Additionally, incorporating affirmations into your daily writing ritual can fortify your mindset, turning your focus from what you fear to what you fervently believe you can achieve. As we continue to refine your daily writing practice, introducing gratitude can significantly enhance the power of your manifestation efforts. Gratitude is more than just a feel-good emotion. It's a catalyst for attracting more positivity and abundance into your life. By starting or ending your writing sessions, by listing things you are thankful for, you shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. This shift not only improves your mood, but also aligns your energy with the frequency of abundance, making you more receptive to new opportunities and blessings. When you write about gratitude, be specific. Instead of simply writing, "I am thankful for my home," detail what about your home makes you grateful, such as the comfort it provides or the memories it holds. This specificity increases the intensity of the gratitude felt, deepening the emotional impact of your writing. Another crucial component of your writing practice is the regular review and reflection of what you've written. Set aside time each week or month to go over your previous entries. This isn't just about tracking progress, it's about connecting with the journey you're on. Reviewing your past writings allows you to see how your thoughts and feelings have evolved, recognize patterns in your thinking, and adjust your goals as necessary. Reflective practice also offers you the chance to celebrate small victories along the way. Maybe a goal you wrote about weeks ago is now a reality, or perhaps you've made significant progress toward a larger aspiration. Acknowledging these wins keeps you motivated and committed to your practice. As we close, remember that the key to successful manifestation through writing isn't just in the act itself, but in the consistency and belief behind it. Make your 10-minute daily writing a non-negotiable part of your day. Treat this time as sacred, a commitment to yourself and your future. As you continue to write, reflect, and refine your goals, you'll find that what once seemed like distant dreams can become your lived reality. Keep your tools of manifestation close, your pen, your notebook, and your unwavering intention. With each word you write, you are one step closer to making your desires come to fruition. Continue to cultivate a mindset of abundance, visualize your success, and most importantly, maintain a heart full of gratitude. This is not just about achieving what you want, it's about transforming who you are. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Keep writing, keep dreaming, and watch as the pages of your notebook fill up with the chapters of your achieved dreams. Remember, in the art of manifestation, your pen is your most powerful tool.